Oh, hey, come in. Welcome to my crib. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my crib. So, when you first walk into our house, this is what you see. This is the main hallway, and we have a bunch of shoe racks here. This is where all of Spencer's shoes are, and we have the nice landing strip, as I like to call it, where you kind of just have everything that you need before you head out. And then over here to my left, we have this nice hook rack that we bought and put on the wall just for some extra storage. Have all of Rascal's things and obviously our coats because it is raining a lot this summer. And then down below we have rain boots in case we need them, and we have a nice little shoe mat right here so that we don't get any mud or anything in the rest of the house. So we walk further down the hallway, we get to Spencer's closet. So he gets this whole closet for himself because I used up the whole walk-in closet in our bedroom. And this is also miscellaneous things that we needed to store in here. I think you'll see in this house is us trying to maximize storage wherever we can. So I'll kind of point out things and how we did that. Let's go to our bathroom. So here is our nice one bathroom in our apartment, and it's pretty big, bigger than our old place. And we're able to store everything that we need. So down here I was able to grab some nice little organizational shelves from the Container Store and utilize this space the best way possible. And then also, because I have so many shampoos, conditioners, etc., the shower, I bought a nice little rack here and it stores everything I need. Alright, let's go to one of our favorite organizational pieces. This is our makeshift linen closet. It's got a really cool front. We got this from Ikea, and this is actually supposed to be a hanging unit, and we didn't know that when we bought it. So it has some fabric pads underneath so that it opens correctly. Okay, so here's all of our towels and Rascal's stuff and Rascal's towels. It's just really convenient to have this here. Obviously, towels being close to the bathroom kind of makes sense. And now one of my favorite pieces in the house is this mirror. Now, this is a huge mirror, and we got this from Ikea, and I'll explain in a minute why I love this mirror so much. Let's head to where the magic happens. And that is my vanity. So Spence built all of this for me, and this is just so nice to have. I love it so much. It stores all my makeup and just kind of anything beauty related, and it's so bright and it gives me just the perfect lighting so that I can get all the details of my makeup done. And of course, got this nice dentist mug where I'm putting all my makeup brushes. So RJ, if you're watching this, thank you for the mug. Alright, let's see my closet. Now, you're probably thinking, holy cow, one, she has a lot of clothes, and two, everything's way organized. And yes, this is actually how I normally live. Like, I'm so OCD with my clothes and I like everything to be perfectly organized. And so I bought these like shoe organizer for a lot of my socks and tights and bathing suits and just random shoes. And then I also bought this coat rack hanger thing over the door just for miscellaneous things, and tried to maximize every square inch of space in this closet. Got containers so that I could better organize certain things, shoe racks, and these dividers are a lifesaver. I love these. And here's a little pro tip. To put belts up, you can just put a thumbtack into your wall and it It's just easy. You don't have to do a nail or anything. So there's my closet. And that's only like 80% of my clothes. Next we have our awesome bed. Now again, we got this from Ikea. I'll link everything below, like in regards to big furniture. There are storage drawers underneath. That was a big reason why we got this. We wanted to make sure, again, we were maximizing every piece of furniture we got by making sure there was storage in it. And then there's also in the headboard, there are shelving units in it. So we can each have storage on either side of our bed. Over here, this is how I organize my jewelry. I mainly wear necklaces, so this is very useful for me. I don't like to wear bracelets usually, so this is all my necklaces that I have. We just needed something to store random kind of junk drawer things. So this is some beauty stuff, sunglasses, and important things in this unit. And of course, one of our wedding presents from my uncle and my aunt. All right, now let's head over and see our living room and kitchen. I forgot to mention, the reason I love the mirror so much is because I can see myself as I'm getting ready, and it's just super useful. Here's Rascal's little station here. This is where he gets fed and makes a mess with his water. And then right next to that we have our trash can and recycling, and I label. And that brings us to our nice little island / dining room table. Now the thing we love about this is that we can put it against the wall, it's on wheels, or we can roll it out and sit on the other side and work or eat. So I'll show you that. So yeah, I like to eat here or work on my computer. It's great, it's multifunctional, and it stores a lot of things for us. So 10 out of 10. And this is actually a painting that my dad painted for me. He said I inspired him with it. It's a bird of paradise, and it's so beautiful, and I love it so much, and he signed it at the bottom. And then over here we have hand-carved wooden piece. I don't know what to call it. But this is all hand carved, and my uncle actually found this for me, and it's hanging up. I think it's really cool. All right, moving on to this mystery door here. We were very lucky to have
hello darkness, my old friend.
a washer and a dryer in our unit. So nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done, and it's pretty fast. So very fortunate to have this in our unit, because I would hate to pay like quarters to get our laundry done. Over here we have our bookshelf. So this is mainly storing a lot of my just books I've read over the years and school books. We also have some of our games and my essential oils, just kind of, again, miscellaneous things. But it's a great piece of storage, and also doubles as a nice little place to put our drinks when we're sitting on the couch. Oh, and say hello to my skull. I have not named him yet, so if you have any ideas, drop a comment below. Alright, let's move on to our living room. We have this nice big TV and this organizational TV stand. This is just housing a lot of electronics, video games and whatnot, and our Xbox, where we don't really play video games anymore, but we just kind of watch YouTube. And Rascal has a nice little setup here with his toys, and in this bench right here, it's pretty much filled with all of Rascal's other essentials. And he's allowed on the bench, and he's very needy. Hi. But yeah, we love this bench. It's really a fun piece. Yeah, it's a fun piece, right? But we hate the color of this pillow. It's very functional, and it has memory foam in it, so it's really comfortable, but we don't like the color. So yes, we know it's ugly. Next, we have our lovely Ikea couch. I think a lot of people get this couch. It's just so great, especially in this color. So it doubles as a bed. I'll kind of show you. Ta-da! So here is our sofa bed. We have a dishwasher, oven, and microwave, just probably like any other kitchen, and a very deep sink, which we're very happy about. And I mean, kitchen's pretty self-explanatory. We try to maximize as much space as we could here without taking up too much counter space. It's very easy with, you know, the amount of counter space we have for our kitchen to kind of get dirty really quickly. So we try to make sure we do dishes constantly. And that pretty much sums up my crib. Thanks for coming.